Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through one of Boston Whaler's newest boats. It's their 160 Super Sport. We'll start off with the profile of the boat. This is the light blue gel coat with white undertone. We have a white rub rail. Nice casting platform forward. Finished out anchor locker. Non-skidded surface. And a bow cushion can be added. Got grab rails along both sides of the boat. A storage box left of the console that can also serve as a seat. Bimini top with black canvas. At the helm, we've got a cup holder, a 12-volt power source, and forward of the console, we have a nice storage hatch that's finished and drained. We have a full bench seat, which we can add cushions to, and the standard portable fuel tanks beneath. A lot of open space in the cockpit. White graphics really go well with the light blue gel coat. Aft, we have twin swim platforms that extend outward away from the motor with a telescoping swim ladder to the port side. This boat is powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. Got great performance, really sleek, sporty design with the new 160 Super Sport from Boston Whaler. If you have any questions about this boat or any others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Be sure to visit us online at MarineMax.com and always check out our store's Facebook page for new events, new boat arrivals, and the latest happenings with your local MarineMax store. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and we see you on the water.